Um, Hello, I'm here with Samer,
Hello.
and today we're going to be interviewing him about 3D printing. So, what's your thoughts on 3D printing in general?
Well, I think 3D printing is like something that kind of fascinates me. It's pretty interesting. I think it has a lot of potential. Like, obviously, right now we're just 3D printing kind of small stuff, but in the future, you could definitely use it on a much larger scale.
Yeah. So have you ever thought about like 3D printing buildings and things at like such a big scale?
Well, buildings, I mean, I think at some point it will be possible, but like right now, I'm not really sure because like you'd need a really big 3D printer and a lot of resources to print a building, so it's probably pretty expensive too.
Yeah. Did you know that in Dubai they're planning to have their city 25% 3D printed by
Mhm.
2030?
Oh, very interesting. By
Yeah.
2030. How are they going to do that?
Don't know, but it's gonna take a lot less resources.
True. Probably be a little less expensive as well.
Yeah. So you think it's a good idea?
I think it could work, but I mean, there's a lot of risks that could be. Are they going to be as stable as like a normal building? If you had an earthquake or a natural disaster, like how would it work? So
Yeah. Okay.
Office in Dubai. Is that true?
Um, I'm not exactly aware, but that sounds very cool. Yeah, and I think 3D printing's like the next step into the future. Do you think